I'm Simon Kenning from Roland Professional AV, and I'm here today at Leisuretec Distribution to introduce the Roland V-60HD HD video switcher. This portable, compact, heavyweight and intuitive plug-and-play production switcher with audio for live event and production continues to expand the current lineup of professional video switchers from Roland. The combination of powerful audio features that includes multi-channel embedded audio, XLR and RCA analog inputs, de-embedded audio from digital SDI or HDMI sources, plus a variety of video connections with a program and aux bus makes the V-60HD ideal for a variety of live event and production applications. The 4 SDI inputs and 2 HDMI inputs are perfect for switching cameras and computers at the same time for dynamic presentations. But not all cameras support full 1080p, so the deinterlacer on the SDI inputs allows you to mix and match 1080i and 1080p SDI video sources, multiple cameras without external converters. Educators can use the multi-channel audio embed function to record 8 discrete audio channels to an SDI recorder such as the Atomos Shogun Inferno to fix audio issues in later editing or separate multi-language audio sources post-event. Multi-destination outputs include program, preview and aux buses and make it easy to send the main output to the primary screen or live stream and presenter notes to a presenter's monitor. V-60HD can preview all of the 6 video inputs plus the 2 still images, PVW and PGM, to a single preview monitor via the multi-view output on the rear of the V-60HD. In addition, you can display the menu on the multi-viewer so you can make changes without changing your focus from the preview display. A dedicated aux bus can be assigned to any of the 4 discrete SDI or HDMI outputs, providing seamless switching from the 8 input channels, 4 SDI, 2 HDMI, or 1 RGB and 2 still images. For fixed installations, the V-60HD can be remotely controlled through the RS-232 port using touch panel interfaces, making it easy to control. The V-60HD is ideal for multi-screen environments, usually found in churches, conference centres, hotels and trade show facilities where different content needs to be switched to independent screens. The dedicated aux buttons make switching to a second destination as easy as switching to the main screen. The V-60HD features an 18-channel audio mixer which includes 4 XLR TRS combo jacks with 48 phantom power, RCA stereo, plus audio de-embedded from the 6 video inputs. The V-60HD powerful preamp and dynamic effects include a high-pass filter, gate compressor, 3-band EQ, delay, and ability to select audio follows video channel so audio passes through when a specific video source is selected. Cut, mix with cross-dissolve and NAM fan transitions, use up to 30 different white patterns, time-based corrected and frame sync provides seamless transitions between 6 video sources and 2 still images instead of buses. With the V-60HD, the program output can be switched simply by using the broadcast style switching buttons. There is also the ability to fade between sources, going from program PST. There's the white patterns also available via presets, as you can see here, and from this one as well. And we can also do an auto-timed fade using the time pot here and press auto, and this will mix between the 2 PGM to PST. The V-60HD features 2 picture-in-pictures. To set up this composition, we first of all select picture-in-picture 1, and we can adjust the position as shown here on the multi-viewer on the PVW. There's the horizontal position and the vertical position. And as you can see, the picture-in-picture can be displayed anywhere within the PVW window, and there are 2 picture-in-pictures on the V-60HD. To make our picture-in-picture go live, we simply push the T fader up, and on the program output, the picture-in-picture is then displayed. Picture-in-picture window shapes include rectangles, circle, heart and diamond patterns to add a special touch to special events. Another useful feature that the V-60HD has in the composition section is a feature called Split. When you press this button, the picture will immediately go live on the program output, as shown now. So on the program output, we have a video playing on the left-hand side of the screen and our still logo on the right-hand side of the screen. These two pictures can be changed by using the cross points, and is very simply select which of the two pictures you want from A and B cross points. When you have your split composition running, you actually have the ability also to adjust horizontally the picture without having to move a camera, for example. So the left-hand picture we can adjust using the program center position here, and the right-hand side we can use to adjust the PST center of the picture. The DSK, downstream keying, can be used for overlaying titles, songs, lyrics, logos, or graphics coming from the video sources with up to 3 layers of composition. The DSK supports both luminance keying, black and white, or chroma keying, blue and green, for compositing 2 video sources plus the additional layer of picture-in-picture, plus your background video, ensuring creative live production environments. Via the USB port on the rear of the V-60HD, you can copy, store, and recall backup and preset settings. Dynamics can be adjusted from the on-screen menu or accessed through the powerful remote control software for Windows or Mac. These include the high-pass filter 75 Hz, delay, gate with threshold and release, compressor to limiter with threshold and ratio, attack and release, auto gain, makeup gain, EQ high with high frequency, mid frequency and mid Q, EQ low and EQ low frequency. The included auto mixing function ensures the correct mix for multiple panel participants at conferences by automatically adjusting levels across multiple audio sources. A priority weighting assignment that is channel specific can be set given the moderator or priority audio channel a higher volume level while using the auto mixing function, allowing the operator to focus on video switching and production. Assign up to 8 analog audio inputs, a separate audio embedded channel on SDI1 and 2 outputs to ensure a separate mix, pre-effect dry or post-effect wet, for correcting audio problems post-live event. This feature is additionally useful for multi-language events to record the voiceover or language translation on its own channel to a separate master. Roland's unique and proprietary wireless tally system uses a wireless LAN router connected to the V-60HD to send tally information to iOS or Android devices on the network. An easy-to-use software application, V-60HD RCS for Mac or PC, provides setup and control information for the Roland V-60HD through a network port. And that wraps up this introduction to the Roland V-60HD live switcher. If you need further information, then please go ahead and visit leisuretec.co.uk.